Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time watching, then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this fun, festive Christmas light look. I saw this look last year around Christmas time, and I don't actually know who originally did the look. I'll pop the picture here for you guys so you can see. If you do know who this is, then please let me know down below so I can give them credit, because I saved the photo on my laptop and I don't have the name, and I've looked it up on Instagram but I can't find it anymore. So yeah, this look is super fun. I love it so much. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. It does take a little while to do. It took me a very long time, but the key thing is to be patient and not to rush it, because otherwise you end up making mistakes and then it just ends up taking longer. And yeah, don't really have too much else to say about this. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've got my eyebrows and my face makeup done. I've also got concealer on the eyelid to be my eyeshadow base. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm going to pop that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to apply this to my crease to be my transition shade. I just realized how bad my foundation is around my eyebrow. Oops. Okay, so we've got the transition shade down. I've also winged that out. I forgot to mention that before, but yeah, I kind of just made it flick up towards the tip of my eyebrow. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a domed crease brush and this shade here, and I'm just going to use that to darken up what I've already done, and I'm going to go back in with the blending brush and use that to blend the two colors together. Okay, so that's the crease colours done. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some micellar water and a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to use this to carve out my crease in a winged shape, and that's going to remove the makeup and the product that I've got on my eyelid. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe that off using a little cotton tip. Alright, so the eyelid is all nice and clean. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to carve out the crease. So to do that, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, this is in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm applying that with another flat concealer brush. And I'm going to obviously wing that out as well. Okay, so the crease is carved out. Now I'm going to take an all over shader brush and my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Sugar Cookie. So this is like a white or translucent powder. And I'm just going to set the concealer. Okay, next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Cream Eyeliner, and I'm going to pop that on a small eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use this to line the cut crease. Actually, I've changed my mind. I'm not going to use that product. I'm going to use instead my Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper Black. This is just going to make it a bit more precise, because I'm just worried that this is, it's not going to be precise enough. Okay, so we've got that line down, and that is going to be the wire for the Christmas lights. So what we're going to do now is take that same product and draw on some little kind of semicircle bits to be the part that the light screws into. And I'm going to do 4 on each side, so 4 underneath on the concealer side of the eye, and 4 on top in the eyeshadow side of the eye. Okay, now to draw on the lights. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take these 4 eyeliner brushes, and I'm going to spray them one at a time with some water. And so I'm going to use 4 different colors. So I'm going to use this yellow shade, this green shade, this blue shade, and this red shade. And I'm going to draw on a little circle at the end of the little black knobby thing, and then hopefully that is pigmented enough. Then what I'm going to do after I've done that is I'm going to go over top with these 4 pencil brushes, and I'm just going to dab on top of that with the same color that I've used, and just make it look like it's glowing a bit, and kind of blend it out a bit so it's not just like a harsh circle. Okay, so we've got those colors on the lights, and it's looking pretty cool. So the next step now is to take a white eyeliner. So I'm taking my Makeup Forever Aqua XL liner, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use it with this tiny little eyeliner brush, just because obviously this is called Aqua XL, so it's an XL extra large applicator, so I want to have a nice defined application. So I'm going to just go along and draw some little white circles on each of the little lights. Alright, so that is the Christmas lights done. I'm really happy with the way they're looking. I just love the effect. And so I'm going to move on to smoking out the lower lash line. I'm not going to do the eyeliner next because I'm going to put glitter on it, and I just don't want the glitter to go everywhere when I'm like opening and closing my eyes. So yeah, I'm going to use those same two shades for the, you know, crease colors. And I'm just going to use these two brushes. So one of them is the same and the other one is just an all over shader brush, an all over shader brush for the lighter color. Okay, I'm also going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone now. So I'm going to go in with this shade here and a tiny little eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to highlight my face, so I'm taking my Lime Crime Opals highlight and I'm going to go in with this shade here called Gold. For my lips, I'm going to be using my MAC Retro Matte Lip Wear in the shade Feels So Grand. Okay, now for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with a small eyeliner brush and my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Zero. And I'm going to draw on a thick winged liner and I'm going to set that with the same four shades that I was using before. So yeah, the same four shades I was using before, and I'm going to go blue on the outside, then green, yellow, and then red on the center. I'm using these four small brushes to do that. Okay, so that's the base of the eyeliner done, and now I'm going to add some glitter onto it. So I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer and I'm just going to apply that with this brush that I was using for my highlighting earlier, and then I'm going to use this red glitter, this green, this blue, and there's no yellow, so I'm going to have to use this gold one, and just using those same brushes that I was using for to do the eyeshadow on that eyeliner, to stick that on to the liner. Okay, that is the look complete. Now the last thing left to do is just apply mascara and lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are my XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes. These are in the style Thunder. I'm going to pop these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I'm so obsessed with this look. I think it's so fun and festive and it's creative and colourful. Everything that I like in a look, really. So I'm very, very happy with this one. This eyeliner looks a bit funny. I messed that one up a little bit, but you can't really see it anyway because I've got hooded eyes, so that doesn't really matter too much. Yeah, you can't even really see the glitter, so almost seems like a bit of a waste of time, but I do really love it still. And if you have like more eyelid space, then you'll be able to see it more, so definitely try that out because I'm really loving the glitter liner. Yeah, I really love it. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and tick that little bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in the next one.